Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make Dad's favorite cookies. I have here one one cup of margarine is half a cup each, and then I will add 2 eggs. And one and a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and blend this together until it's fluffy. Add 2 cups of flour, one and a 3/4 cup of oatmeal, dry oatmeal, one teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And blend this together. One more ingredients I have to add is the 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, and blend this together after. About 1 tablespoon of that dough. Have to roll it. Turn the oven for 375 degrees. Then I will flatten this with using this fork. put this in the oven. Leave it for 10-15 minutes. These are the first bats from the oven. Just gonna taste it if it's what it tastes like. It's very good. It's not very sweet. I decreased the brown sugar. Supposed to be 2 cups. It's about right. These are all the cookies that I bake. About 3 dozens. And thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comments. Bye-bye.